Welcome back, everyone. In today's video tutorial, we'll be diving into Jobflows Seek integration. So let's get started. In this quick demo, we'll show you how this integration works. To begin, let's imagine you have a Seek career page where applicants can browse and apply for your job openings. This is the starting point of the integration. Applicants will visit your Seek page and apply for a job they are interested in. Once an applicant successfully applies for a job through Seek, here's where the magic happens. Jobflows will automatically receive the applicant's data, which includes their resume, cover letter, skills, and past experiences. This is where all the applicant data from Seek will be organized, making it easy for you to review and manage candidates. Next, configuration. To begin, make sure you're in the Open Positions board within your Monday.com account. From there, navigate to the Jobflows settings view. Once you're in the settings view, locate the Job Boards tab and click on it. This is where you'll find the settings related to various job board integrations. Look for the Seek option within the list of available job board integrations and toggle the switch to enable it. To retrieve your Seek hirer ID, simply click on the provided link. This will redirect you to the Seek website, where you can select the provider. Search for Monday.com powered by Jobflows as your provider. Fill in your information and submit the form. Once approved, you'll receive your hirer ID that you can paste the Jobflows settings view. After pasting your hirer ID, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to ensure that your updates are saved and the integration is activated. To have your job posted on Seek, it's important to ensure that the position is open and published on your career page. Then navigate to the Job Item view and select Plus button to add the Seek item view. Choose the Seek Job Posting Item view from the lists of installed applications. Ensure that you enter all the required details for the job and include accurate information for a contact person. Once done, click on the Add Contact button. Ensure that you provide all the necessary details such as location, rate, job summary, and ad type. Once you have completed this, click on the Post Job button. Congratulations! Your job has been successfully posted on Seek. To visit the Seek job page, simply click on the See Live link. With your job now posted on Seek, potential applicants can easily discover our career listing. When they click on the Quick Apply button, they will be redirected to the dedicated job listing page on Jobflows. I trust that you now have a clear understanding of the configuration process. Let's proceed to a quick demo to guide you through managing your applicants in Jobflows using Seek. If you are an applicant, all you need to do is click the Quick Apply button, enter your essential details and skill sets, and upload your resume and cover letter. Once you are prepared, click the Submit Application button. Great! Your application is now submitted. Now, let's navigate back to Jobflows and access the job board. You will find a comprehensive list of applicants along with their information, including resumes, cover letters, emails, and phone numbers. This is where you can effectively manage the progress of each applicant's application. Next, navigate to JobsDB, where you will find a complete list of all applicants from all your job listings. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Seek with your Monday.com account using Jobflows. If you need any clarification or have inquiries, feel free to contact us using the email address displayed on the screen.